In today's world, consistency, quality, and productivity is what the manufacturer strives for. The solution designed by PROLIM, the Tandem press line, monitors machine and overall equipment. It also looks at effectiveness data collection to improve the machine efficiency and productivity. It even has a dashboard which displays reasons for productivity losses like availability, performance, quality, overall equipment effectiveness, production rate, actual units produced, expected units for production, and target units for production. The OEE dashboard helps in keeping a tab on the processes and productivity like OEE trend for a week, average of the parameters, production trend, and good and effective product counts. The Tandem press line also helps in reducing downtime and predicting the next possible failure of machines by sending alerts.